To some, one solar installation looks pretty much the same as any other. Trackers support solar modules, wired together, converting the sun's rays into electricity. But when you go deeper, beyond the surface, you begin to see the difference, the SunEdison difference. SunEdison is a global leader in solar energy technology and services. It develops, finances, and operates solar energy power plants using proven photovoltaic technologies. Dependable, reliable products like SunEdison's second-generation single-axis tracker, the AP90.
It uses an architecture and a design that has been around for many years. Construction people, installation crews around the world are familiar with the architecture and they can trust it.
The AP90 tracker is a product with a proven track record. Designed and produced by a company known for quality engineering and manufacturing, making the AP90 a highly bankable and trustworthy product.
SunEdison has been operating in this field for over 50 years, so we have a track record. We are in the business of everything from silicon to electron. So we make our own modules and we grow our own wafers and our own polysilicon. Financial institutions and independent engineers know our product. They have already financed dozens of projects with our names in it. So this single-axis tracker has got deployment history that they can count on.
This trust stems from recognizing that SunEdison relies on their own products for hundreds of SunEdison solar installations around the world. Installations that choose the SunEdison AP90 are selecting a tracker with a robust, durable galvanized steel and anodized aluminum design. Strength that offers a longer life and reduced maintenance costs.
We've had our single-axis tracker deployed on the coast of the South China Sea since late 2007, and we've had no failures reported from there. No rust, no corrosion, no issues. We've had our trackers deployed in sandy regions, in desert-like conditions. Our trackers have been designed such that sand and grit can escape easily from the moving parts.
In addition to being weather and wear resistant, the AP90 was designed to get projects online fast and with less expense.
It can be assembled with no special tools by anyone in the world very easily. Anyone that can install a bolt, they can build this. It's all a very streamlined process. You can build out a site in a short period of time.
This intelligent design begins with the foundation, with piers driven into the ground without the need to lay cement. The tracker also requires no in-field welding, and many of the components can be pre-assembled.
It's a one-step installation. There's no waiting for cement to dry. You just have one machine, you come to the site, it drives the piers into the ground where the surveyors mark it. Also, you can lay out all your material, stage it, do all your pre-assembly, and then move across a block at very high speed.
SunEdison not only designs and manufactures its own trackers, they also design and build its controllers.
The tracker controller is a very easy unit to work with. It's a graphical user interface that's built into the controller. If you can use your cell phone, you can use this.
From design to deployment to operations, SunEdison gives solar investors and construction crews what they want most.
When people decide to use a single-axis tracker, what they're really concerned about is it going to work and how much is it going to cost me? SunEdison's trackers are durable, they're robust, they are designed for long life and for predictable performance.
The promise of solar energy. It's real, it's ready. All you need is the right technology and a reliable company. SunEdison. Proven products, a trusted partner.